Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss numbers and arithmetic operations. In our last lecture we talked about addition. This time we are going to discuss subtraction. Now let's read the definition of subtraction. Subtraction means to take away one of more numbers from another number. The linguistic meaning of subtraction is to reduce something, to lessen something in quantity, to lessen something, to bring down value of something. Suppose if we subtract one number from another number, it means that we are reducing the value of that number, we are reducing the worth of that number. Now one more thing, if we all know that 0 has no value, it has no worth. When we subtract 0 from any number, it doesn't change its value. Another thing is that if we change the sequence of numbers in subtraction, it leaves an impact. Suppose in example you can see that in first one what we did, we subtracted 70 from 75, we have got 5. In the second one what we have done, we have changed the sequence of the numbers, we have put 70 first and 75 later. So what the answer we have got is -5. It means, it shows that change of sequence in subtraction changes the answer. Now we'll talk about subtraction of large number. When we subtract small numbers, what we do, we start subtracting them from unit place. Same method we would use in subtraction of large numbers. We would just write the values vertically and subtract them from unit place. Okay, then we have different words which we can use for subtraction. Suppose we are given a question and we are not, subtraction is not directly given there. Instead of subtraction we are given different words like take from, take away, fewer, minus, difference between. If we find all these words in the word problem, it means that we are supposed to do subtraction. Then we have an example. Hina got accepted into a university and needs to pay a fee of rupees 430,560. Her bank account has rupees
यार चांदनी तुम पागल हो यार
शाम मेरे से नहीं हो रहा. Okay, first of all we'll talk about subtraction. As you all know that in our previous lecture we talked about addition. This time we are going to discuss subtraction. Now let's read the definition of subtraction. Subtraction means to take away one of more numbers from another numbers. Basically subtraction means to reduce value of something, to reduce quantity of something. When we subtract one number from another number, it means we are lessening the value of that number. Now another thing, we all know that 0 has no value. When we subtract 0 from a number, it doesn't change its value. The value of that number remains the same. One more thing, when we subtract two numbers, if we change their sequence, it changes the answer. Suppose you can see in slide, first we subtracted 70 from 75 and we got 5. And second time what we have done, we have changed the sequence of the numbers. We put 70 first and 75 later. So what the answer we have got is -5. It's obvious from both the answer that when we change the sequence of numbers in subtraction, it changes the answer. Students, we use the same method of subtraction in big numbers which we use in small numbers. We simply write them vertically and start subtracting them from unit place. Okay, then we have different words which we can use for subtraction. Sometimes it happens that when we are given a question, we are not directly given the word subtraction. We can be given different words. There can be take from, there can be a word take away, there can be word minus, fewer, reduce, decrease, all these words. If you find any of these words in a word problem, it means that that word problem is regarding subtraction. Now we have an example. Hina got accepted into a university and needs to pay a fee of 430,560. Her bank account has rupees 1,560,635. What will be the balance of her account after she pays the fee? Now, what we are going to do after she pays the fees? From here, we have to understand, like suppose she has 1,560,635 in her bank account and she had to pay the fees. What would be left after paying the fees? It means that we have to subtract her fee amount from her total amount in her bank account. What would be left at the end? 1,130,075. Then we have another arithmetic operation, which is multiplication. Multiplication is basically repeated addition of equal groups. If we have to multiply something, for instance, we have to, for instance, in this example, we have 46 and we have to multiply it by 7. It means that we have to add 46 7 times. We would write 46, you can see in the slide, we would write 46, 46, 46, 46, because this 46 is written 7 times. Then we would add them and what the answer we are getting is 322. It's a very long and lengthy process to make addition, to make repetitive addition. That's why we use multiplication. What we are going to do, we would write both the words vertically. First we would write 46, then we would put the sign of multiplication and then we would write 7 on the unit place. Now what we would do, we would draw a line and then we would start reading the table of 7 till 6. Then suppose we read the table of 7 till 6, we get 42. We would write 2 at the unit place and we would carry 4. Now what we would do, now we would multiply 7 by 4, we would read the table of 7 by 4 till 4, but the answer we get is 28. Now in that 28 we are going to add that carry. What was that carry? That was 4. Now let's add that carry into 28, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we would simply write 32 in the in the answer. So what is our answer? Our answer is 322. So this is our multiplication procedure. This is our multiplication method which we are going to use. Now vocabulary for multiplication. Like addition, like subtraction, there are few words which can be used in replacement of multiplication. Suppose if you get the word product, if you get the word timetable, lots of, groups of, multiply, times, multiplied by, if you find all these words or any of these words in the word problem, it means that you have to do multiplication. Okay, then we have an example. In an orchard, there are 3,642 apple trees, each yielding approximately 255 apples. What will be the approximately yield of the orchard? Now what we have to do, we just have to multiply it. How we are going to do? We are going to write 3,642 on the top, then we are going to put the symbol of multiplication and then we are going to write 255. We would start writing it from unit place. First we would write 5, that would come in unit place, then again we would write 5, that would come in tens place below 4, then we would write 2 which would come at hundred place below 6. Now we would start multiplying them. Again we would read the table of 5 till all these numbers and then we will get 18,210. One more trick which we have to use, students, in this is that when you would do multiplication process second time, you have to put a multiplication symbol in the second line and then again you have to start, Then again you would start reading the table of 5 till all these numbers. Again we will get the answer 18,210. Now in the third line what we would do, we would write two multiplication symbols on unit place and tens place, and then again we would start reading the table of 2 till all the numbers. Then we would get 7,284. Now what we are going to do, now we would add up all these figures. The answer which we get is 928,710. Okay, now multiplication of any number with 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Students, it's very easy. What we are going to do, suppose in the first bullet we have to multiply 25 by 10. We would simply put a 0 at the unit place with 25. What the answer we would get is 250. Again, in the next bullet we have 25 by 100. What we are going to do, since there are two zeros in 100, we are just going to put two zeros on right side of 25 and the answer would be 2500. Again, in 1000, since we have got three zeros, so what we are going to do, we would add three zeros with 25 on right side. We would get the answer 25,000. Then in 10,000 we have four zeros. What we are going to do, we are going to put these four zeros on right side of 25 and the answer which we are going to get is 250, 100,000. I hope students that you have got subtraction and multiplication. If you have any queries or if you have any ambiguities, please contact me on WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.